Aloha everyone. So I just want to share some really good news from Lahaina Town as we enter the first week of July. It hasn't even been a full year since the big fire in Lahaina, and we're already starting to see some construction activity in the town. You can see one of the projects behind me, and we're also going to get the drone up in the air. Let's go take a look.
All right, so my Lahaina updates usually cover the entire town, but in this really quick aerial tour, I'm going to focus on just the part of Lahaina that is seeing the most construction progress at this time. Right now, we're flying over the Emerald Plaza industrial area just below the Lahaina bypass, and the large building project in front of us is an 89-unit community that will consist of 1, 2, and 3 bedroom units. This project is affordable housing and will be a great start to returning local families back to Lahaina Town. It looks like they've made good progress over the past month and are already working on the second floor. Now we're flying over the top of the Kahoma Stream and entering into the Kahoma Homes neighborhood. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can see 3 lots that are actively digging and framing for footings. Now, one of the first homes to start putting up walls is a little bit further down the hill. We're headed that way now, but in the meantime, just look at all the lots that have been cleared of their ash and debris. According to the Army Corps of Engineers, as of June 29th, more than 1,295 of the residential properties have completed their debris removal. That means that we're now over 92% complete with the clearing of residential properties. In addition to the residential areas, debris removal is also progressing for commercial properties, with more than 51 commercial lots cleared, which means they're now more than 32% done with the commercial cleanup as well. Okay, so now we're coming up on what I believe is the first residential home in Lahaina to start building vertical construction. According to the most recent Lahaina Recovery meeting, there have been at least 22 permits issued to Lahaina residents to start rebuilding their homes. And there's another 71 permits that are currently going through the review process. Since we're in the area, let's take a quick look at the old Pioneer Mill smokestack area that's been used as a staging area to break down concrete, steel, and burnt cars that were removed from the burn zone. Overall, I think we've made excellent progress on the cleanup of Lahaina, and it really is incredible to see the construction has started for the residential rebuild in less than a year. Anyways, that's it for this quick video. Share the video with anyone you think would appreciate the good news of progress, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more updates from Lahaina Town. I hope to see you all in the next one. Aloha.